Hello, I am Rosalia Pereira. Welcome to the Detalles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save money by combining latex or house paint with artist acrylic paints that can be applied to furniture. Before choosing your color, decide where your piece of furniture is going to live and draw color inspirations from the items in the room. This fabric gives me several colors to choose from.
Everybody has leftover house paint. You are going to need white, black, and the color of your choice. This can be a combination of house or artist paints. The goal is to be able to produce enough paint to cover your piece of furniture. A quart of paint is more than enough for most pieces.
I have several brands of artist acrylic paint and they range from $4 and up. A quart of paint ranges for $20 and up. It is impractical and expensive to buy a quart of paint every time you need to interview a color. The color wheel says that you have to mix your colors with pure white, black, and gray. I'm using ivory white or ivory French, so I'm breaking the rules.
When you add white to any color to make it lighter, you create a tint. Paint is colored by pigments. Artist acrylic paints offer you a variety of colors to choose from and have a high concentration of pigments. Artist acrylic paints are great for mixing with house paints and glazing liquids. They are both water-based and there is no reason why they couldn't be mixed. When adding black to a color to make it darker, it creates a shade. Begin with your color, gradually adding black until you achieve the desired shade. When you add gray to dull the intensity of a color, you create a tone. Toned down colors are more pleasing to the eye. If you mix your color with two artist paint and don't have enough paint for your furniture piece, you can have the color custom mixed.
Now that you know how to manipulate color to create a tint, a shade, and a tone, you can save money by mixing artist acrylic paints with latex paint. If you have any questions or want inspiration, check the link below.